So what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about the Discover It credit card. The Discover It credit card is an easy-to-use app to build or repair old credit. The Discover card comes with an easy-to-use app for Android and Apple. I'm going to show you today. So here's the homepage when you get it to Discover It credit card. You have my recent activity. Here's all my recent activity. You have your statement summary. You could pay your balance right here. I have my Capital One checking hooked up. Then you go back. You got your Cashback Bonus. I can redeem my cash back. So for your cash back, you get 1% cash back on all purchases. You get 5% cash back on groceries, restaurants, and gas stations. The interest rate depends. It goes from 13% to 25%. Then over here, you could view your Fico credit score. Just a rough estimate. Tells you, how your account's doing. Your length of your credit. I've had this one for 4 years. Missed payments, I have 0, but 1 in the last 7 years. You could freeze the account straight through the app. Then down right here, you click redeem. And you can redeem your cash back. Click rewards on the bottom. If you refer a friend, it allows you to share a link, and both you and the friend get $50 towards your Discover card. See on the top, 50 for you, 50 for a friend. And that's it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe and leave a comment of what you would like me to see.